Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the importance of research skills and how to write an effective report. Research skills are essential for effective report writing. They enable you to find reliable sources, analyze data, and draw accurate conclusions. Setting clear goals and collecting relevant data are key components of effective research. This helps you to stay focused and organized throughout the process. Organizing your information in a structured format is crucial for creating a clear and concise report. This helps you to present your findings in a logical and easy-to-understand manner. Writing an effective report involves synthesizing your research findings into a coherent and compelling narrative. This requires strong writing skills and attention to detail. By honing your research skills and report writing abilities, you can enhance your career prospects and become a valuable asset to any organization.